Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my YouTube channel. My names are Devian Mnyazi for the new ones, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always choosing to watch my videos. And today's video is just generally I'm going to refresh my house, and then we are going to cook supper later on in the evening. So I hope you get to enjoy this, and I hope you get to watch till the end. And if you have not subscribed, kindly can consider to subscribe to my channel. Welcome. So we are going to start the video with me washing the utensils. One constant thing that one has to do is wash the utensils. You can skip doing a lot, like you can skip doing laundry at a particular day, you can skip maybe mopping the house at a particular day, but I think or personally what I can't skip doing most of the time is washing the utensils, especially in the mornings. The utensils have to be washed. You can skip at night, but obviously in the morning the utensils have to be washed, and that's what I was doing at this particular time. So as I said in my previous video, because it has been really cold, I have not been able to go back to washing the utensils at night. I'm feeling really cold, and I hope I'll get back to it soon. And guys, on that, I'm looking for descaler that I can use to descale my kettle. I've used vinegar, I've used bicarbonate, and lime, but both of them, they are not working. So, and my kettle has started becoming really whitish. If there is any that one can recommend, kindly recommend in the comments section. I'll really appreciate. I think our water is really salty, so my kettle is really turning to be really scaly. So if you will recommend anything, I'll really appreciate it. Thank you. after finishing with the utensils, I went straight to mopping the house. I had done the house the previous day. I had mopped it the previous day, so it wasn't really dirty. So I went over it quickly, washed the washroom, the bathroom, and then I didn't even remove my carpet on this particular day because I'd already dusted it. I just swept it kidogo and then it was fine. So yeah.
This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
So this was later in the evening, and it was time for me. It was around 5:30, and it was time for me to start preparing some dinner. And on this day I was cooking some cumin rice with some chicken masala, I'll call it that. So I started with I marinated the chicken for a few minutes, like around 30 minutes, and I used only black pepper and some turmeric only. And then after that, now I was shallow frying it to brown it a little bit. Then we get into cooking. So I started with the rice, and the rice I used a little bit of onion just to add a little bit more flavor, and then I placed some cumin seeds. Then I added a little bit. I added one cinnamon and some cloves, and I did this just to give the rice more flavor. But if you want, you can just use only the cumin, but the rice was really nice, and it had some really good flavor with those 3 whole spices.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So as my rice was boiling, I went straight to cook the chicken, and I used around 3 medium onions, and I let it brown. Then after that, I added some garlic and ginger paste, and then after it had cooked for just a few minutes, around 1 minute, I added my spices.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So the spices that I added were some black pepper again, a little bit of turmeric, some Graham masala, and then I added some curry powder, and those were the spices that I used. So after the spices had cooked, I added some blended tomatoes, and then I let them cook for a few minutes. So after the tomatoes had cooked for around, I'll say 8 minutes, I added some natural yogurt. Then I let the natural yogurt incorporate well, and then simmer for a little while, and then after that I'll add some milk. We say just trust the process, and then I added some milk, and then I let it cook for a while. Yeah. So after that I tasted for some salt, and I added a little bit of salt, but because I had marinated the chicken with salt, so I didn't put a lot, so it can't be a lot. It's better to have undersalted food or more than having food that is oversalted. So after that I added my meat. I mixed well, then I added around 1 cup of water, and then I covered, and then I let it simmer for a while until it simmers down, and I have a very nice thick paste or stew or gravy.
Remember when we're staring photo? Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
So after a few minutes of it simmering, and the stew coming down to a nice thick paste, it was done, and the chicken was already cooked. I garnished it with some coriander, and then I served dinner for my people. And then this is the end of the video, guys. So I hope you really got to enjoy, and I really hope you got to watch till this point. And if you did, I really appreciate you, and thank you so much, and see you on the next one. Bye.